Shrimps with sweet and spicy chili sauce, very flavorful, nice to have at the end of the day. Oh, hi my lovelies, thank you for being here. And if you're new to my page, my name is Jen, and as most of you know that I love to teach cooking classes. So if you have any questions throughout the video, just pop the question on the comments below and I will come back and respond. Or just say hi, let me know where you're from. I love to hear from you. So today we are going to make shrimp with the garlic chili sauce that I made earlier. Now I will also link the recipe for that chili sauce, and that's what I use to flavor the shrimps. So it's very simple. We're just adding some oyster sauce, some soy sauce, and then we're making that sauce, and then we just add it to the shrimps, and there you go. You can make that, garlic chili sauce shrimp bowl with some rice and maybe some veggies on the side. So let's start prepping the shrimps and then we'll put everything together. Season the shrimps with salt. In a saucepan, add soy sauce, oyster sauce, sweet and spicy chili sauce, then cornstarch that we dissolved in water. Stir to combine, and then cook until thickened, then add it to the shrimps and then mix to coat well. Then heat the pan with oil, and then we're going to cook the shrimps for about 30 seconds each side or until they turn pink. And now you're ready to assemble your shrimps and rice bowl. Okay, my lovelies, let's try the shrimp. Very flavorful. The garlic and the addition of crispy garlic and the sauce, that chili sauce really brings that nice flavor. So try this, my dear, and let me know what you think. And look at this really pretty rice bowl here with the shrimps and I just chop up some cucumber and tomatoes. And wouldn't it be nice at the end of the day you come home and you'll have this nice bowl of your shrimps with that chili sauce? It's really wonderful. So try this and let me know what you think, and then share it with family and friends. If they need help with home cooking, please share this video to them, and I would really appreciate it. Again, thank you for being here, my lovelies, and I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.